Hello guys, it's in the middle of the market right now. It's around 9:11 right now, right? I'm making a prediction, okay? So if you guys um how do I say this? So today for the Dow index and for every index it's a down day, right? But if you look at Dow futures, it's a total different story. And for those of you who only cares about AMC and for me on well, I was gonna post two videos last night, right? One is about, the AMC's future, and the other one was talking about why I'm actually contracting my position in AMC and put it all in BB. And for the BB gans out there, I'm gonna start live streaming starting Friday or maybe next week. And we're taking BB to the moon, by the way. And if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, BB is BlackBerry, right? You know what? I'm gonna make a video later on tonight. Hopefully, we can post two videos tonight. And for those of you who are panic selling AMC, BB, and GME right now, let me just tell you you're wrong. Okay? You're wrong. And the reason why you're wrong is because you're just totally wrong, dude. First of all, if you look at other people's YouTube channel, and to be honest, I don't really look at other streamers' YouTube channel or YouTubers' YouTube channel because for me, the group of traders that I'm a part of and like who taught me, who's around like 65 years old, who traded heavily in futures. What I was told is you're supposed to have your own opinion on the market, therefore you can make as much money as possible because our view on the market is very different from everybody else. And if you watch my other video from last night, what I was basically trying to tell you is, first of all, yesterday's volume was too much. Therefore, today is either going to be a contraction, or if you're looking for like a huge win today, it's literally impossible because you have to have at least 1.25 times of the volume, right? But I was trying to tell you is you're supposed to like if you have a lower position, lower than $60, you should have cleared out some of your positions. And I was trying to hint at you is there's going to be a dip today. And as you can see, there is a dip today, and there has to be a dip today. So then the contraction of volume can create further volume for a more upside trend for AMC. And if you look at my math from last night, you realize that the true value of AMC right now is around $28 or $21 to $28. It's $7. There's a $7 gap there, and that the reason why there's a $7 gap there is that $7 accounted for um accounted for all of you panic sellers. So if you add up the $7 to today's volume, let's see. So today's true price is actually around $50. So my prediction for today is at the end of market close, AMC is gonna be around $48 to $50, and BB is gonna go back to where it was. Let me just tell you that. And what also I can tell you is, even though the Dow Jones Industrial Average is going down right now, by the end of market close, it's gonna go back to the point where it opened. Or how do you say this? It's more like to the average point where the Dow Jones future opens today. And also, I'm making another prediction is everybody's trying to drive the oil futures back to $70. Let me tell you that it's impossible. You can hear in my tonality, I am 100% certain. I mean, right now, like you guys gotta understand that we're not financial advisors. I'm just entitled to my personal opinion, right? But what I think is oil is gonna consolidate at $71. That's why I actually sold a bunch of shares of my downstream, all of these oil companies who are working on downstream of oil, like the oil service companies, it's like they're not really production companies, but they offer services and they do drilling equipment, stuff like Halliburton, SLB, right? What I did is I sold at a high point, and today I buy back in again. All right, I can make a video about it later today too. And for those of you who are only interested in AMC, I mean, just watch. Just watch. Like, right now, this is the moment where we actually are diamond hand holders. You're diamond hand back holders, and we're not back holders. Let me tell you that we're not back holders. Because according to human psychology is when something like, okay, let me ask you guys a question. When are you more likely to give up on a position, or when you're hiking, when are you going to be more likely to give up? Is when you're almost at the top, right? And as I indicated last night in my video, short squeeze actually just started yesterday. So there's a 2% shuffle, and there's some hedge fund guys who's like, I'm still like, you know, gonna short, and they double down on a short position with that 2% of share outstanding. It's okay, like it doesn't matter. But let me tell you, short squeeze just started. So if you guys start selling right now, you're not only disappointing the ape community, because we're trying to make history here, okay? And the same time is you're actually losing on the profit that where you can actually buy the dip for. So today's volume contraction in AMC and in BB actually created a further bullish side for AMC and BB. It's a good news for bullish retail investors. Let me tell you that. And for those of you who are just looking at the volatility and be like, oh my god, let's panic sell, you're gonna regret it. And this is gonna be one of the times where 20 years from now, when your kids ask you, it's like, dad or mom, why did you do this? Because let me tell you, if you don't have a strong heart, this is not a profession for you, especially for those of you who are trying to swing trade and day trade. It's it's all about how you can control your psychology. See, even as if see right now, so when I'm making a video, it's around $42, $43. It's around 47. It's gonna close at 48. I'm just gonna tell you that. And at the end of the market, there's gonna be a huge volume spike as usual, because what you guys don't understand, or maybe you do understand, sorry, that just sounds really condescending, is this part volume contraction here created a bigger upside for maybe next Monday. Let's say tomorrow, if tomorrow the market didn't get halted, and tomorrow Robinhood didn't restrict how much shares you can actually trade, it's a huge upside. And for those of you who are cool as a cucumber just like me, it's a great opportunity. Let me tell you that. All right, the prediction video is just gonna end like this, and I'm probably gonna post this real quick on YouTube. Maybe let the other dudes edit it a little bit. But yes, as I'm making this video, my prophecy is coming true. And this is an AMC screen. I don't really want to look at BB screen right now because I know I'm right. And as I indicated last time in my other video, I'm usually right. All right, see you on the other side.